Let's talk about one of the biggest time wasters in Agile, the refinement meeting that never, ever ends. We're going to show you how to break that cycle for good using a little AI magic to get a backlog that's actually ready for your sprint.
Does this look familiar? I mean, that sinking feeling when you're in another refinement meeting, going over the same user story for the third time? You're trying to move, but you're just stuck in a web of questions and confusion. It's a total stall.
Yeah, this is what we call the endless refinement loop. It is an absolute productivity killer. It's like you're on a hamster wheel, where tasks get debated and rephrased, but they never actually get ready. And that doesn't just waste time, it completely drains your team's energy.
But what if you could just stop? A Scrum Master we worked with, Alex, he did just that. He told us his team cut their refinement time by a staggering 60%. Just think about that. His developers get clear, ready-to-go tasks from day one. No more debate club.
And here's the problem in a nutshell. A product owner throws out a vague idea, right? Implement user login. But for the team, that's a Pandora's box of questions. What are the password rules? What about failed logins? Social login? That one simple-sounding task just created a dozen blockers.
So if this all feels a little too real, we've actually put something together for you. It's a free Agile starter kit to help you get the basics of clarity down. You can just grab it from the link in the description.
Okay, stay with me because we're about to show you the way out. Over the next few minutes, you're going to learn how to use a powerful AI tool, one you probably use already, to just completely banish ambiguity from your backlog for good.
The breakthrough here is all about transformation. We're talking about a reliable process that turns those big, fuzzy ideas into a steady stream of perfectly detailed, actionable backlog items. So clear, any developer can just pick one up and get to work.
And here it is. This is your new secret weapon for backlog clarity, ChatGPT. Seriously, we're not using it to write emails. We're going to use it like a precision instrument to bring order to the chaos. Now, the secret isn't just asking a question. It's all about building the perfect prompt. And that prompt has 4 key parts: a solid user story, crystal clear acceptance criteria, thinking through potential edge cases, and of course, the non-functional requirements. So let's put all those pieces together. This is it. This is the key that unlocks everything. The exact prompt that turns all that tension and confusion into pure, simple clarity. Let me break it down. First, you give it a role. Act as an expert product owner. This sets the stage. Then, the instruction. Generate a backlog item from implement user login. But here's the most critical part, the components. You tell it exactly what you need. A user story, 5 to 7 acceptance criteria, 3 edge cases. You get the idea. This structure is what guarantees you get quality stuff back every single time.
And once you get the hang of that, you can totally level up. You can feed it a specific user persona for more tailored results, or give it examples of good and bad requirements to train it. My favorite is asking it to find the ambiguities for you. It's a game changer.
And the impact of doing this, I mean, just look at the difference. It's night and day. The time you waste in meetings and the confusion around tasks, they plummet. And your sprint readiness, it just goes through the roof. It's a total flip of the old, broken way.
And this is what it all leads to. This is the goal, a truly sprint-ready backlog item. It's so clear and actionable, your dev team can just grab it and finish it without having to ask a single follow-up question. That is pure, uninterrupted flow.
This isn't just a dream scenario. Your sprint-ready future can start right now. You're leaving behind that past of circular, frustrating meetings and stepping into a future of clear, valuable work that's just waiting to be built.
So if you're ready to make this happen for your team, the next step is easy. Go grab that free Agile starter kit from the link below. And if you really want to become a master at this, join our workshop. We'll show you how to 10x your team's output.
So I'll leave you with this one thought. You now have the tool to create perfect backlog items and finally escape that refinement loop forever. The only question left is, what are you going to build first?